How to use ruler in Microsoft Whiteboard. In this video, I'll show you how to use ruler in Microsoft Whiteboard. So to get started, go ahead and open Microsoft Whiteboard application into your device. Make sure that you're signed in into your Microsoft Whiteboard account. And then from here, head over into that specific whiteboard where you want to use a ruler. So you can use it on a new whiteboard or an existing one. So go ahead and open that. And then once you have opened Microsoft Whiteboard, go ahead and click on the pen icon on your tools section. And then from there, go ahead and select ruler. So this is represented by this icon. So you can also open the ruler by clicking on Alt and or on your keyboard. So you can go ahead and rotate the angle of your ruler depending on your preference on how you want to use this on your whiteboard, and that is how you can basically use ruler in Microsoft Whiteboard. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.